Hello learners, welcome to the Python Ultimate course. So today we are going to learn about a string in Python. So let's see what is a string. A string is nothing but a sequence of characters. So a character is simply a symbol. For example, like English language has 26 character, Hindi has 52, like that. So computers do not deal with characters. They deal with numbers, which is binary, either 0 or 1. Computer understand only two numbers, 0 or 1. So even though you may see characters on your screen like this right now, you can see what is a string in Python and all everything. So internally it is stored in and manipulated as a combination of zeros and one. So everything get converted into zeros and ones. So this conversion of character to a number is called encoding. And then we have a reverse process, which is decoding. So ASCII and Unicode are some of the popular encodings we use to encode the characters into binary numbers. In Python, a string is sequence of Unicode characters. So Unicode was introduced to include every character in all language and bring uniformity in encoding. So we can also learn Unicode from Python Unicode that we have in Python. So let's learn more about it, how to create a string in Python. So very first, string is whatever you write in that single quote or double quote or triple quote, whatever you will write, either it is a character or number or alphanumeric, anything. If you are writing that in single quote, this is called a single quote. Let me show you. So I'm just taking a variable a, and now this is a single quote, see, and whatever you will write inside it, like a, b, c, or a number. So this ABC34 is now a string. So I'm taking a variable a. Now suppose here this is a single quote, and anything you can write 23. Now this 23 is not a number anymore. Why? Because I have kept 23 in a single quote. So whatever you will write in Python in a single quote or double quote or triple quote, it will be a number. So let me show you. Now I am taking another variable b, and I am keeping double quote, and I'm keeping in other number 45, and then I'm taking another variable c, and now I'm keeping what like this is the 56. Okay, so this is what single quote, double quote, triple quote. Now let's take let's check the type of all these variables. So I'm going to type of a. See what it is coming, type of a is string. Now again let me just show you type of b as and type of c. So all these will be string. So now this 23, 45, 56 is no more a number. It converted into string. Now let me show you like with d, and if you will keep a number like simply 23, and if I'll type here what is the type of d, so it will come int. Now it is taking only this. Let me just print everything so that you can check. Okay, so here as you can see, the type of a is a string, type of b is also string, and type of c is also belongs to class string, but type of d is what? Integer. Why? Because it's we haven't put in any single quote, double quote or triple quote. So you can keep anything in this, and it will get converted into string. You can keep CD suppose, and if I print it, it will give you string. So this is how we write a string in Python. You have to enclose the characters inside a single quote or double quote. Even triple quotes can be used in Python, but generally, like we don't use triple quote. You can use, there is no problem with that. But generally we use single quote or double quote. So triple quote we generally use to write multiple lines. If you have, suppose you want to comment out and you want to write multiple lines about any line of code or something, so in between you can use. So this is called doc strings. Generally in interview questions also, interviewer can ask you about doc strings. So it is nothing but whatever you write in triple quotes, generally for we write about the code, what is happening and something, so then you can use that triple quote. Okay, now let's see the actual thing, what how we can create a string and how we can print it out. So it's very simple. You take any variable, and whatever you want to write, you write in single quote or double quote, and then you print it. It will get printed. So first I have taken my string. In the my string variable, I'm keeping hello. Simply you give equal to, and then in the single quote I have given hello, and then I'm printing it out, the what I'm printing, the variable name. Next same thing, my string I've taken, okay, not just I'm keeping one so that you'll not be confused. So my string, and here I have given, okay, wait, here let me give one, and here I will keep two, so that there will be no more confusion. And in print also I want to print string 1, and here also I want to print string 2, and then this is the string 3, and let's print the string 3. Okay, now as you can see, this is the triple quotes your string, and you can even extend this into multiple lines, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4, like whatever extension you want, you can do that. So let's run this. Okay, see, print string 1 hello, string 2 string 3, and this is the my string, simply hello, welcome to the world of Python. So this is how you can create a string in Python using multiple way. There are, as you can see, there are 4 ways: single quote, double quote, triple quote, and also triple quote with extended multiple lines, and then simply print the variable. So this was very easy. Now okay, so now next we have how to access characters in string. So we can access individual characters using indexing, and a range of characters using slicing. So generally in Python, indexing starts from 0, and it will go till the length of the whatever you are using. So trying to access a character out of index in a index range will raise an index error. So you can't uh, try to access with out of range. And also index must be an integer. It can't be float or other types, otherwise it will give you a type error. And Python also has negative indexing for its sequences. So the index of -1 refers to the last item, -2 to the second last item, and so on. So we can access a range of items in a string by using the slicing operator, the colon. So I will show you how you can. So here let's see how to access string characters in Python. So first I have taken a string variable, and in that I have kept hello world. Now simply I am printing the str and equal to, this is how you can assign, and you can print the like this str is equal to, and this should be y because this is a string, and then comma, and then the variable value to it. So first character, if I want to print the first character of this str, so how you can do? So we have to take the bracket and you can say list, and then the first index you have to give, that is 0, then the last index would be -1 you can do. And then if you want to do slicing, sub slicing is any bit, any middle of the thing, or the start and the end, then you can give. So here I want to access the 1 to 5, so it will start. 0 is what? H, and 1 is what? E. So it will start from E, then we have 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is what? W. So actually W will not be included. Why? Because the last step it is excluded. So it will go ELLO. Like that it will give you the output. So let me show you. See here, the first one, it has shown str is equal to hello world. Then next I am accessing the str0 first index, so that is h. Then I want last index, that is d, so it will give you d. Then 1 to 5, again it will start from e because 0 is the first and then the 1 is the second, so e l l o till 5, because 5 fifth is what? W, and it will be excluded. In Python, when you write the indexing, this is the first, that is start, and then we have a step, and then end, and then we have a step. So let me just give you a clear view. Now we have str hello world. So let me give you something like how we can access. So I want to print what? I want to print str, suppose 2, 4, not 4, 6. Okay. So, and also I want to give a step. So let me tell you. See here, 2 is the starting index, 6 is the end, and the 2 it is step. So generally in all these you have seen here, I haven't put anything next semicolon, because by default Python will take 1 in slicing, but you can also change it. You, if you want to change the step to 2 or 3 or something, so step is nothing but, why by default it is 1, so it will iterate through each one. First one is h, then e, then l, then l, then o, like that. So by default it is 1 by one, it is moving forward, or one by one it will move backward. But you can also have one option to add the step. So if I will add a step 2, it means, now let me make you very this for you. So suppose I have given 0. Okay, so it will start from 0 now till 6. 6 is what? O here. Now a step I have added 2. It is not by default. By default it is 1, but I want to add a step. So from 0 it will not go to 1, it will go to L. Why? Because 0, 1, and then what is the step? 2. So first it will print H, but E it will not print, it will print L. Then again L, next word it will not print, and then it will print O, because the step is next step, again second step will be O. So this is how you can use the step. You can even put 3 or 4. So suppose if you have something, like in interview also, they can ask you, they can give you some list or something, and they can ask you, okay, give me the, like you have 1 to 10 numbers, and give me the this odd number or even number, and you don't have to use any loop or something. So don't use any loop, or function. So like you can simply use this slicing. Why? Because you can use the step, and or if you will start index from 0, and you want to print odd, so you can give the number step as 2, so it will give you 1 3 5 7 9, like that. Again, if you want even number, so you can use the step accordingly. So like that, there are multiple uses of this step, but generally by default it is 1, but you can change it to 2 3 according to your requirement. So this is how the indexing work. I hope you understand it. So let me just run it for you so that you will be better understanding. Mm. So I'm keeping, actually you have to give str, and then you have to give everything. What I want 0, then I want to start from 0, I want to go to till 6, and I want to take steps as 2, means I'm leaving one step in between and alternate steps I'm taking it. So let's run it and see. So see how it came. Okay, let me just give it here, keep it equal to, so that it will look better. Okay, so see 062, it came HLO. How? Let me show you. Why? Because H is what first? So 0 came and then L came. Why? Because E, it skip E, then next is L, then next L it will again skip, and then the next word will come, letter will come O. So that's why HLO. And then after this, why? Because it's the till the 6th, and 6th, like end is what? Exclusive. It can't go till 6, it has to stop by 5. So 5 is what? W, and we can't take it because O we have already taken, so O or W we have to skip. So that's why it has printed till HLO. So this is how you can use slicing in string. Now we have a lot of Python string methods. uh, I will pause for you, and you can write it, and you can use all the this built-in methods one by one to understand how it works. So first we have here capitalize. It converts the first character to uppercase. Then we have case fold. It converts string into lowercase. Then we have center. It returns a centered string. Then we have count. It returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. So all these are very very useful. Like this count method we use in number of program, we use this capitalize, we use case fold, we use encode, obviously returns an encoded version of the string. Ends with, we check if you want to check with something, like that words is ending with some letter, and that, so you have to, it returns that true. So it will returns the boolean value true or false. Then expand tabs, find again to find something, format, then format map, index. Is num is alphanumeric? If that characters is a string and or alphanumeric, like that it will check. Is alpha returns true if all the characters in the string are in alphabets. Is ASCII, it returns true if all the characters in strings are ASCII characters. Is decimal, same, returns true if all characters in the strings are decimal or not. Is digit, returns true if all characters in the strings are digits. Is identifier, it returns true if the strings is an identifier. Now same, identifier is nothing but, like I have already told previously, like anything keyword and reserved key that we have in Python, like def or for or while, all these are what? The will be the identifier. Is lower, returns true if all characters in the strings are lowercase. Is numeric, again returns true if all characters in the strings are numeric. Like that, so many. Is printable, is a space, is little, is upper. Then join, again we use multiple times in in code. Converts the elements of an iterable into strings. Then lower, I strip, make trans, partition, replace, rfind. This is the we use for searching the string for a specified values and returns the last position. Are just so like a lot of built-in string methods we have. So gradually, like if you will do a lot of programming, then you will understand and you will remember how the built-in methods you can use properly. So few of them I will be doing for you. Here I have taken my string and here I am keeping hi there and value to it. Now what I want, as you can see, I have kept only the first letter is this, and okay, let me just write everything in small so that you will understand it better. So in my string variable I have kept hi there, and then I'm printing my string dot capitalize. What I'm doing, I'm applying the capitalize method onto the variable. How? First you have to keep the variable name and then dot and then capitalize, and then you have to give the proper function and then print it. Same I'm doing case fold also, and let's see. So what converting the what is capitalized, it will convert the first character of the string into uppercase, and case fold will convert a string into lowercase. So actually let me just to understand, because all these are small letter, so I'm keeping some letters in capital so that it will not be a problem. Here I have kept all the E in capital letter. So let's see, let's run this. Okay, so see, what initially it was high there, now H here it is in, it converted into capital H because I have kept capitalized, and next I have applied case fold on my string. So it has converted the high there into small high there, because it converts the string into lowercase. Now next let's see the lower. So lower converts the string into lowercase. So simply we'll take the variable, and in another variable I'm keeping s2 dot lower, s dot lower, and when I will print s2 it will give me all the small letters. Now again the upper, it will convert all the strings into uppercase. So same thing, I'm taking a variable s keeping hello buddy, and then s2 taking another variable, in that I'm keeping s dot upper, means it will get saved into another variable s2, and when you will print s2 it will give you all the letters in capital like uppercase. Now the title, so converts the first letter of each word of the string to uppercase. So s dot title, so here h is what small letter, it will print s2, and it has print the h as the capital and the b also capital. So see, converts first letter of each word. It means, let me just show you, if you will keep here small b, so it will change that b also in capital. So see, here it changed the not only h, all the words, like every word first letter, it will convert it into the capital. Now we have this again swap case. So swap uppercase to lowercase and vice versa, means whatever is in uppercase it will change into lower, and whatever it is in lowercase it will change into upper. So see, whatever was in small letter it changed to upper and vice versa. Now let's see, is alnum, it means alphanumeric. So here I have taken tech 50, it is alphanumeric or not, so it will give you true and false. So see, first it is giving s dot, s is what, tech 50, so again it is alphanumeric. So it is showing alphanumeric means either it is alphabets or numeric or combined. Okay, so alphanumeric, whatever you will write in this string, it will take it as alphanumeric. So tech 50, tech 678, everything is in alphanumeric. Now let me just show you what if it is only number. So let me just print it. So see, what int object has no attribute, because you can't apply this function is alnum to any integer. So that's why it gave you error. So this is how it works. It only works on string, because this is string function. Initially I have told all these are what? String functions. Okay, so next we have s1 and s2 variable, and again we are checking whether it is alphanumeric or what is alpha, so it will give you true. And s2 is what? Tech 50, it is giving you false. Returns true if all characters in the string are alphabets. So yes, as you can see in the first, it is all characters is alphabet, is alpha, and the second one is alpha numeric, no, because 50 is what? Numeric, so that's why it is returning you false. But here it it has is al num, means al alpha and num numeric, so that's why it is checking is alpha numeric, and this is what? Only alphabet it is checking. Now we have is digit, so again you know the answer. So s1 will be false, because we have tech tech is what? Nothing but alphabets, and 50 is numeric, so it is checking is digit. Digit is what? Number. So tech will not be any here. It is not only the digit but alphabets is also there, that's why it is returning you false. But 5 6 7 4 8, this is what? Only the digits, numbers has included, that's why it is returning you true. Now next we have my string is equal to Python, and when I'm checking my string dot find p, okay, so whether in this string we have p or not, and then next I'm checking whether this string contains on o and not. So it should also give you, let's see, uh, p, what is the index of it will give you my string dot find, it gives you the index, the position where it is. So p is at the 0th index, 0, and the o, so it will give you the o, the first occurrence of the this letter o. So it will give you 0 1 2 3 4, the fourth it has shown, which is the first letter occurrence. So this is how you can there are you have seen there are multiple methods you can practice on string. So please practice, pause it, and write and try all the possible string methods. Now let's learn about escape characters in Python. So to insert characters that are illegal in a string, use an escape character. Or an escape character is also like it is a backslash followed by the character you want to insert. So here I am giving here, as you can see, text, and we are the so-called, and then I want to remove this and from the north. So when you will print it, it will see we are the so-called Vikings from the north. So let me show you a lot of escape characters we use in Python. We use single quote, backslash, then slash, backslash n, which is new line, then backslash r is carries return, backslash t is nothing but tab, backslash b is backspace, backslash f is form fit. Generally we use to in formatting when we write the next thing like path or something, we use that slash backslash f. Then this o, that is octal value, then x, this is the hex value. So all these are like not much we use, but backslash n we generally use a lot, and then backslash f we use a lot, and then single quote, all these we use a lot in Python. So let's see single quote escape character. So let's learn it. Simply see what I want. I wanted to give this, okay, single quote. So if you will give this and this, so this will be again this will give you error if you will remove this. So that's why we give backslash, so it will not, it will just escape the character. Let me just show you. If you will remove the backslash, then see it will give you error, right? So you can't skip it. So that's why we use this to skip the character. Now again same thing, double quote also you can use the double quote, and same thing you have to give this because you can't put 3, otherwise it will give you syntax error. And next we have backslash escape character. So same thing you can use. Let me just show you. So this will give you hello and then one backslash word. Now new line, if you want you can use this. So hello will be in one line and the world will be in the next line. So this is how slash n you can use, that is new line. Then slash r, that is the carriage return. So it will not, whatever the back side, it will not return you that. It will return you after that. After the backslash r world it has returned. Then next we have tab. So there is one tab ahead, so you can see the space. Now the backslash b, so simply h1, like it will remove the o because we have given backslash b, so it will remove the o, the one letter it will remove, and then it will print. The next we have this. So this we use a lot, like form feed. Here you can't see any changes, but when we have to give path or something, so a lot of backslash or forward slash might be there, or some another different types of strings, so we use for that, so that it will take everything. Then we have again octal value is nothing but the 3, so it will take 101 as the ASCII value of it. So A B C, the capital A B C. So that's how the, and now we have x41, and again this is the hexamer. So hexadecimal value, all these x41 is capital A, x42 is capital B, x43 is capital C. So this is how you can see. Now we have string characters and slicing. So I have already told you how you can use the slicing. And this is how, like be hello world, and I want to print 1 to 8, so it will get. And then if you want to only give the starting end index or starting index, so you can even skip that, so it will start from 0 automatically, and if you won't give anything at the end, it will go till end. And if you will omit both the index, so it will start from starting and it will end with end. So like suppose here b, so b is what, hello world. Now if I'll run this, okay, and then I will print, so everything it will print. Why? Because I haven't put anything. And then I told you, right, you can even give one more. So everything, step, start, and everything is what, by default. So it will start from 0, end with end will go till end, and step it will take by default 1. Now let's see about the negative index. So negative index is the, again we can start from -1 and go till the length of the string. So here I have taken -5, -9, so it will start from -5, and -5 is nothing but, see, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -5 is O. Okay, see here it has taken the -5 step. It is not printing this one. It has printed the -5, so it has taken the -5 step. And then starting and ending is what, nothing. So starting is nothing, it means it will take -1, and ending is also nothing, but what is the step, it will, so that is the -5, so it will take -5 step. So that's why it is printed. Then first it will print this, and then what, -5 W, and then next -5 is what, L. That's why it has printed you that. Okay, so because mine this is -1, it will print this, then -2, -3, -4, -5. So it will take W, and then again the space is there, you can see. Then this is my one step, then two, then three, then four, then five, then the second, this L, it has taken the this L. So that's why it has printed this. So this is how you can use slicing. You can practice like this. I have kept the starting as 0, end as 8, and the step 3, like that. You can do whatever, just take any string and then try to learn how it will give, what it will give, so that you will understand it better, the slicing. So I hope you understood it, the string in Python all about. I will again suggest you to go through this functions, all the string functions that I have written here. Please practice it, and then you will understand it better. I hope you like the session. uh, Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.